What your touchscreen already has is a back plate. They would leave the plate directly on this. They would bring in the wire, connect it. The metal plate is attached already to the device, and then it just magnetizes to the gypsum. And the magnets will align the plate anyway, so you're able to kind of get it into the right place and pull the whole device off the wall as well. The touchscreen that you have already has mounting for this European back box. So obviously mount everything SeeLess the same way they usually do. Drywall will go to the end. This gets mudded in. They're gonna wire your Cat6 into here, and then this box goes in as a retrofit through the front. This box gets attached with wings to the back of this. They're retained to the back of the gypsum. Similar application, right? This is 3/8 reveal, and then touch panel goes in place. And this is what you'll have with the Josh.Ai.